Ready to ditch the complexity and swap your Bitcoin directly within Phantom Wallet. First, ensure you have Bitcoin loaded in your Phantom Wallet. If not, you'll need to deposit Bitcoin into your Phantom Wallet before proceeding. Your wallet should reflect your Bitcoin balance on the app's main screen. Now, on the main interface, look at the swap icon. It looks like two arrows pointing in opposite directions, often found at the bottom of the screen. Tap it to initiate the swap function. You are now on the swap interface. At the top, you will see the You Pay section. Here, confirm that Bitcoin is the selected cryptocurrency. If not, tap to select Bitcoin. Then, below, in the You Receive section, select the cryptocurrency you wish to swap your Bitcoin for from the drop-down menu. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to exchange in the You Pay field. Phantom Wallet will automatically calculate the estimated amount of the other cryptocurrency you will receive, reflecting current market rates and any associated fees. Before confirming, carefully review the transaction details, including the network fees and slippage tolerance. You can usually adjust slippage tolerance within the settings menu. Higher slippage may result in a successful execution, but at a potentially less favorable price. Once you are satisfied with all the details, click on the Confirm Swap button. The swap will now process. The time it takes can vary depending on network congestion. Once the swap is complete, you will see a confirmation message. Your Phantom Wallet balances will be updated to reflect the swapped assets, and there you have it. You successfully swapped Bitcoin within Phantom Wallet.